This is the brand new 36-volt brushless, cordless compound miter saw from HiKoki. Cordless means no tagging and no worrying, and it's got plenty of beef for cutting big sticks of hardwood. I fully charged this 8 amp hour multi-volt battery, and I did 164 cuts in 90 by 19 Merbau. To my surprise, the battery was still 3/4 charged. I did want to run it till flat, but I didn't have it all day. It's got the compact slide mechanism, which means you can set it up pretty close to the wall of your shop and still get a reach of 292 millimeters. Both beveling and mitering are easy, quick, and accurate. It bevels to 45 in both directions. In terms of mitering, it cuts from 60 degrees all the way around to 45 the other direction. Just don't forget to adjust those stops whenever you're beveling so you don't cut into them. The laser is adjustable should you need to fine tune it when changing a blade. Also, there's a work light there so you can see what you're doing, keep your fingers safe. Performance of this saw is genuinely impressive. It's accurate, it's beefy, everything you want from a compound miter saw, and it's cordless. If you've got any questions at all about this 36-volt compound miter saw from HiKoki, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Sydney Tools TV.